The same opportunity may not come to you in your life ever. So, capture that opportunity which is coming in your life. This is an opportunity to come here and, remove fear from your mind. Use this opportunity. Yes or no? Come. Yeah, come, watch. Who said? I don't know. Because it's not. So, either people should raise hands, so I know who is fearful, otherwise I will choose. Just because.
What do you want me to talk about? If you talk about cricket, anybody knows what's the score? Yesterday night. Because our TV went off because I watched it. So
475 for 3. And Peterson and Cook, Bell, they are not out. Peterson and Bell. Yeah, anybody would like to come and give feedback? You want to come? Come. Give a big round of applause for them.
I would like to thank Pradeep sir for welcoming you. So we are able to get more knowledge from you.
Good. Fantastic. Good idea. I think she deserves a big round of applause and a gift from me. Because she took her own initiative. I said, opportunity level अभी कई लोग आएंगे, अभी किसी को नहीं आएगा। अभी कई लोग रेडी हैं, सर क्या? अभी हो गया, हो गया। ये बिगाड़ा इसलिए धीरे-धीरे बोलता है। ठीक है? So it's over. Opportunity which was there, it is over. Yes or no? If you miss that, don't miss this opportunity. It will come to your life. Opportunity will come to your life every day, every moment. It is up to you to decide whether you are sleeping, thinking it is a noise, or whether you are opening the door and welcoming and embracing the opportunity to you. It is up to you. You decide. It won't come to you twice. New opportunities may come to you, but the same opportunity may not come to you again. Is that clear? So fear, you have to eradicate the fear from your mind, because fear is nothing. It's not a visible, it's not a tangible, it's just an imagination in your mind. It's still on your mind. Fear is not something which you can touch, feel, see, or whatever. Nothing. It's just an imagination in your mind. And this you learn from this atmosphere, you can unlearn also. And for unlearning, repetition is the only solution. There is no other solution to fear. First solution is take the first step. Then repeat. Again and again. You will find all fears are away from you. If you have a fear, say for example financial, colossal middle might be finding it difficult. Finance subject is very tough. Repeat again and again. The same sum, the same chapter, where you have the most difficulty. That chapter should be learned 20 times. Other chapters you learn only once or twice. But the most difficult chapter, you learn 20 times. You will find that chapter will become the easiest chapter for you. So, do the things repeatedly you fear, death of fear is. So that fear is a big barrier in your way to success. Yes? Barrier number 2. Procrastination. Procrastination. Do you know about this word? What is procrastination? Fantastic. What's your good name? Shadu. Give her a big round of applause. Procrastination means delaying the things, as she said, postponing the things, right? Putting the things for tomorrow, which actually should have done today. जो काम आपको आज करना चाहिए वो हम कल पे टाल देते हैं। एक किसी ने कभी ने दोहा कहे कार करे सो आज करे सो अब पल में हो वही करेगा आपका, राइट? कितने देखो हमारे संत लोग कितनी अच्छी चीजें बता के गए, और उन्हीं चीजों को हम थोड़ा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करके मंत्र सक्सेस बना देते हैं, राइट? कबीर जी बोल के गए, बराबर ना? अभी हम उसको मंत्र और सक्सेस प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन we are given a fantastic word to this Kabir's doha, right? So delaying the things is the biggest barrier in your life. Everything which you should do now, you are delaying it for future. You go to a tailor to give a pant piece and a shirt piece to stitch to. What he will say? Come after 15 days. 15 दिन बाद आओ सिल के रखता हूँ, बराबर। Does he need 15 days to stitch clothes? He needs just 5 minutes to cut that shirt and trouser according to the size of the body. But when he will spend that 5 minutes, it decides. So he is asking for 15 days. If he can cut the cloth same day, stitch on the same day, deliver it the same day, what will happen? This ready-made garment industry, which is flourishing too much, thanks to tailors. Yes or no? If these tailors would have not this procrastination habit, suppose you imagine a situation, you buy a cloth, give it to tailor, and tailor says, okay, while going from your college, take it. You will love to have it because everybody would like to wear a cloth which is most suiting to his or her body. हम वही कपड़ा पहनना चाहते हैं ना जो हमारी बॉडी को पूरा सूट करता है। रेडीमेड क्लॉथ तो सूट नहीं करते हैं, बट हम अवॉइड करते हैं। अरे यार 15 दिन तक कौन धक्के खाएगा, वो फिर 15 दिन बाद बोलेगा 5 दिन बाद आओ, 20 दिन बाद आओ, you know, because of that procrastination we have shifted from stitching to the ready-made garments. Yes or no? Make sense? Then I'll give one more example. Suppose you go to a hilly place, very cool place, Nainital, Shimla, Mussoorie, whatever, and 0 degree temperature is there. The morning, now there is a morning. Room is freezing, but your bed is warm, right? And there is a sudden slip of cold air is there inside the room. And 7 o'clock is there, and you want to get up because you have to catch a bus to visit at 8 o'clock. You want to get up. And physically getting out of the bed is a simple task. One leg, other leg, stand up and walk. क्या है यार? So physically getting out of the bed is a simple task, but deciding to get out of the bed is the most difficult task. Yes or no? Decide करने में चला जाता है टाइम। उठता हूँ यार, 7 बजे है, वो अलार्म बजाएगी, वो 3 वाला अलार्म बज गया लेकिन होता है, सबके साथ होता है ना? Deciding is the most difficult. Action is easy. So in your life, and this you remember this example. This is a beautiful example actually. It's a live example of everybody's life. It's not my life example. It's a live example of everybody's life. That deciding is the most difficult part of your life. Action is not difficult. Action लेने में 1 सेकंड लगता है. एक पाँव, दूसरा पाँव, तीसरा पाँव, चलो उठ के भागो. Yes or no? लेकिन डिसाइड करने में कितना टाइम जाता है और उस वजह से आपका कितना लॉस होता है कभी आपने इमेजिन नहीं किया. And then the time which you are taking and doing decision or deciding about something is the procrastination. That is the procrastination. आप बोलेंगे सब बहुत हो गया, अभी इससे बचने का उपाय तो बताओ. ज्ञान की बात तो बहुत हो गई, सॉल्यूशन क्या है? सॉल्यूशन चाहिए? सॉल्यूशन है, बहुत सारा सॉल्यूशन है. सॉल्यूशन नंबर 1, keep a tagline in your mind all the time. All the time. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ. मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ. कोई काम नहीं है सर, अभी करता हूँ. अभी करता हूँ. अभी करता हूँ. Keep a tagline in your mind. Do it. The other solution, salami principle. So can you eat whole cake at a time? कोई एक केक आपको देता है, पूरा केक खा सकते हो क्या? क्या करते हो केक को खाने के लिए? Cut the cake into pieces and eat one piece at a time. Right? So when you have so many things to do in your life, maybe examination time or whatever, assignment, whatever. क्लास में मैडम ने ये दे दिया, वो मैडम ने ये दे दिया, इसका करूँ, उसका करूँ. So many things in your life. So follow this salami principle. Cut the cake into pieces. Cut the cake into pieces. क्योंकि you cannot do everything at a time. So cut the cake into the pieces and eat one piece at a time. Then you find things are easier. जब हम सारी चीजें एक साथ लेके बैठ जाते हैं, तो पूरा माइंड मेडल हो जाता है, घबरा जाते हैं और गिव अप कर देते हैं. एक एक चीज को एक बार, एक पीस खाया, एक काम खत्म किया, दूसरा किया, तीसरा किया, then find things are easier. Yes or no? And the most important part is do the most difficult task first. We have a tendency, all of us have a tendency to procrastinate the task which we don't like or whether we don't feel comfortable. ये है या नहीं? सपोज करिए फाइनेंशियल सब्जेक्ट अपने को, फाइनेंस मैनेजमेंट इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट, उसको कभी नहीं पढ़ेंगे. मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट अच्छा लगता है, ऑल द टाइम फिर भी उसी को पढ़ रहे हैं because we have interest in that subject. We watch a particular channel on television. Why? Because we have interest in that subject, in that channel. And where we don't have interest, we avoid that. It's a normal tendency. So, and when you avoid that, what will happen? It will become more difficult, more difficult, more difficult. Because you are avoiding it. So, avoid करोगे उतना ज़्यादा देखो loaded नहीं ये ठीक है बाद में उतना रहेगा. So, my point is do the most difficult task first. Then everything is easy. Rest of the things are easier. एक बार difficult हो गया, समझो फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट सबसे टफ है, वो आपने एकदम पक्का कर लिया, बाकी तो सब आता ही है, बाकी क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Yes or no? लेकिन हम डिफिकल्ट टास्क को अवॉइड करते हैं और इसी टास्क को पहले करते हैं, तो वो डिफिकल्ट टास्क और डिफिकल्ट हो जाती है, और ज़्यादा टेंशन, एग्जामिनेशन सर पे आ गया, मालूम पड़ा कुछ आता ही नहीं है, और अल्टीमेटली फिर भी एंड अप विद द नथिंग. ऐसा नहीं होना. So do the most difficult task first. And finishing is not completion. काम खत्म हो गया तो ये मतलब समझो कंप्लीट हो गया है. देखो बराबर, किसी को दिखाओ, अरे I have done this, please see whether it is okay or not. Show it to somebody, propagate it. See what happens when I became branch manager in Indore in 1995 or 94, and when I decided to go for MBA regular course, after become branch manager, I decided to go for MBA course for 2 years. I was a bit shaky and bit confused and maybe fear of किसी को बोलूँगा नहीं कि मैं MBA कर रहा हूँ. Because so many subordinates are there, so many vendors, so many dealers, so many customers are attached to me, and if they will come to know I am doing MBA, तो कल को अगर बुढ़क गया तो क्या होगा? मन में fear रहता है ना, मैं MBA तो कर रहा हूँ. After 10 years, 85 में I did my MCom, 95 I started for MBA. I had a fear in my mind. No, I should not share this with anybody that I am doing MBA. Then I went to my guru, and guru is one who always gives you the right path, right? You should have a guru in your life. When I went to guru, and he said to me one thing, fantastic. कि अनिल, you propagate this to as many people as possible that you are doing MBA. मैंने कहा मरवाओगे? पता लग गया सबको MBA करवा मेरे को पास नहीं हुआ, तुम तो गया मेरे को बातें लग जाएंगे. मेरे सबॉर्डिनेट जो MBA करके आए हैं, मेरे लोग कुछ नहीं खड़े हो जाएंगे कि मेरा बॉस मेरा साला MBA का जानते नहीं है क्या? बराबर ना, ऐसा होता है ना. When you have subordinates who are more qualified than you, then it's become very difficult and miserable life for you, right? So then he said, no, you propagate, and then I realized what was his intention. When you propagate it, when you inform everybody in your life, अरे मैं MBA कर रहा हूँ, then will create a pressure on you. कभी इतने सारे लोगों को मालूम है कि मैं MBA कर रहा हूँ, अगर अब कुछ हो गया तो मुंह दिखाने का मैं ले रहा हूँ. So that pressure made me study hard. That pressure made me to get 10 CGPA. Right? So build that pressure up yourself. Propagate. I was very much nervous. Because 85 I did my MCom with Hindi medium, and after 10 years English medium MBA. Wow, क्या हो गया? But I finished 10 CGPA. That's why I am sharing with you is that not I am propagating about myself. I am sharing because whenever you want to do a difficult task, a big challenge you want to take in your life, propagate it to everybody. The more you will propagate, the more pressure will come to you, and that pressure will, kick you all the time. अरे करना है नहीं तो तुम्हारा बाट लग जाएगा, है ना? तो भैया बाट लगेगा, and then you will become successful. And decide a reward for yourself. कुछ अपने लिए रिवार्ड होना चाहिए. जो तुमने अपना काम किया, कोई दूसरे से मतलब give a pat on your back. अरे अनिल तूने तो बहुत बढ़िया काम किया. अभी मैं सेशन के बाद बाहर जाके करने वाला हूँ. तूने आज बहुत बढ़िया सेशन किया. रिवार्ड कैसे दिया? किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड क्यों कर? मैं क्यों डिपेंड करूँ प्रदीप सर मुझे बोले कैसा रहा सेशन? सेल्फ बिलीव है ना, मुझे मालूम अच्छा ही है. होएगा अपने को मालूम. सेल्फ बिलीव स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. सेल्फ बिलीव स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. अभी आप मैं किसी से फीडबैक लेने वाला नहीं. वो जो फीडबैक दिया था वो एक पार्ट ऑफ माय सेशन था. But I know my session is best, so I'm going to pat back on back of myself. Yes or no? So give back, pat on your back all the time. Don't wait for anybody others to appreciate your good work or something like that. Right? So remove fear from your mind. Avoid procrastination. Avoid procrastination. The rule is do it now. Do the most difficult task first. Take first step. First step is necessary, na? If you don't take first step, nothing will happen. Even if you want to travel 1,000 miles journey also starts with first step. So take first step in life, the rest will follow. We take a lot of time in deciding first step. So deciding the time of this action. Come into action. Cut the cake into the pieces, take one piece at a time. Finishing is not completion, and reward yourself. So this is the way you can avoid procrastination. Right? Now final topic I want to discuss. That is winning edge concept. Winning edge concept. Anybody who knows about it? Winning edge concept. After my session, I would like to play one concentration game. Would you like to play with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what you have to do, the moment I say session is over, all of you should help yourself, all these chairs, put it back side. Because we need to form a circle here. All of you, help yourself. अपना चेयर लेके पीछे जाके दम करो. अच्छा, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन का ये भी एक फंडा है यार. मैं आपको अभी याद आ गया, मैंने बोला तो. Do it. Do it. Delegate it or dump it. सिंपल, ये कॉर्पोरेट का फंडा है. मैं तो खुद करो या डेलीगेट कर दो किसी को. डेलीगेट भी कर सकते हो, किसी को डंप कर. तू करे, मेरे को नहीं आता है. तू जान, मेरे को नहीं आता. एटलीस्ट करो तो सही, कुछ तो करो भाई. अच्छा, डेलीगेशन के बारे में मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. आपने डेलीगेशन के बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ा होगा, आपके सब्जेक्ट में मैडम बहुत कुछ पढ़ाएंगे, सर पढ़ाएंगे. बट मैं आपको एक लाइन में डेलीगेशन बता रहा हूँ. व्हाट इज डेलीगेशन? डेलीगेशन इज व्हाट? शो द वे and get out of the way. That is it. Simple funda. If you show the way, if you don't get out of the way, where is the delegation यार? 24 घंटे उसको बार-बार मारते रहते हो, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. Delegate करो तो पूरा करो ना, right? So show the way and get out of the way. That is delegation. Remember this. ये आपने समझ लिया तो delegation का पूरा चैप्टर आपको समझ आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So after my session, we'll put these chairs at the next time, then we'll play concentration again, and there are prizes in that. So winning edge concept. Anybody who can help me on this winning edge concept?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
It's
I'm self-belief. Why you say I'm sure about it? Why you start with I'm not sure? Why you start? I'm not sure. Please, you're doubting yourself. Please just tell me. I'm not telling you. Just a point which has come in mind. See, when you start your conversation, I'm not sure, it means you are doubting yourself. And if you are doubting, don't speak. If you want to speak, say, "Hello, कौन सा तुम्हारा कोई नंबर तो नहीं काट रहा हूँ। मैं कोई मार्क्स तो नहीं दे रहा हूँ, कार भी दे रहा हूँ। तो जो भी बोलना कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलो। सर, according to me, this is right. हो सकता है बाद में मेरे को भी लगे, हाँ यार, शेरू सही बोल रही है। So whatever you say with full confidence, ना? Why you start your conversation? Sir, I think so. I think so, I have doubt. These are all, you are trying to demotivate yourself. You are trying to kill your own self-esteem. You are trying to kill your own self-belief. Have a belief in yourself. Sir, whatever I am saying is correct. Bas, अभी ऐसे बोलो.
The winning edge concept for me is winners don't do different things. They do things differently.
Fantastic. Shiv Khada. Beautiful. Yeah, so but anything else?
Winning edge is basically what is the difference between people who try and who people ultimately win. What is that edge which defines?
Fantastic. Very good. What's your good name, sir?
Rajiv Narvekar.
Rajiv Narvekar. Fantastic, sir. Very beautiful. Anybody else? Yeah, please.
So, for me, winning edge is like whatever you do, it should have a final result or something like. You can't just say like I want to reach on more, like, the things which are going to decide to do, you should get some result from it.
Fantastic. What's your name? So now I think he deserves a big gift from me. Catch. Good. You get me selected in Indian cricket team. Anybody else?
It's not about the others. It's not about the others.
Okay. Anybody else? Winning edge concept. EDGE. Yeah.
You have to think that you are the best.
Oh, self-belief.
Just
Good.
accept what he said.
Huh?
Just accepting what he said. So you have to keep that
belief does not mean you become over enthusiastic and you know start harming others or spoiling the whole environment. Keep a balance. You have a self belief does not mean कि मेरे अलावा किसी को कुछ आता ही नहीं. सेल्फ बिलीफ रखो लेकिन माइंड को भी ओपन रखो, है ना. दोनों चीज साथ होना चाहिए. सेल्फ बिलीफ इतना ज्यादा ना हो जाए कि माइंड ही क्लोज हो जाए. मेरे को तो सब आता है, मेरे को कुछ क्या सिखाएगा, कोई क्या सिखाएगा, तो किसको पढ़ी सिखानी चाहिए, किसको पढ़ेगी मुझे बताओ. So if you keep your mind closed, probably you are a big loser. So keep your mind open all the time. Keep a self-belief, have a self-belief, but keep your mind open for new learnings. Because anybody can teach you anything. Your father, your mother, your sister, your wife, your husband, your son, your kids, they can teach you like anything. Mohit taught me so many things in my life. It's a fact. I'm not joking. Your kids are big teachers for you. They teach you so many things. So that is possible only when you keep your mind open for learning. Right? So keep your mind open all the time. Have a self-belief, keep your mind open. So there is a balance.